Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. I don't remember if I unboxed this already, but I do remembering, unboxing Honda Civic Type R. I don't know if it is by Hot Wheels or if it is by Tommy Car, if I unboxed both. But I do remember I did unbox a Civic Type R. So, okay, guys, you need to bear with me and all this noises. Since we are back to our older setup, then we are back to all the usual things which we normally have. So, the barking dogs and, neighbor noises and everything. So, okay, so let's get our trusty sidekick. So, I don't want to waste any time, so I'm just going to open it. So, before that, one more thing, I bought it for MRP, which is 179. And, okay, let's unbox it. Yeah. So guys, we are getting cases everywhere, so don't overpay for all this stuff. Because one of my friend who actually got this for me, he told he the other guys, the other collectors, they got like 4 cases kind of thing. So surely they might have got STH and all. Unfortunately, I don't have any STH this time, so you will be seeing the hunt part 2 in this coming week, because 60 seconds are not enough to showcase all the cars which we have. So I just split it into two. Okay, with that said, let's talk about this casting now. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks solid. Okay, so as usual you can see the paint issues here. So again, this is something this might be only for me, not for you guys. So I'm like this kind of paint issue magnet, I guess. Wherever I'm buying, like 90% of the time I'm having some kind of paint issues. Okay, so apart from that, let's leave that out. Let's talk about the other things. Okay, so it has the wiper details here, which is good. So the hood has a little bit of, I think this is the air intake. It is not really that, like, it is, you can't able to see it really well, but it is there. It is very subtle, like, you can't just, if you keep it, if you are keeping it at a distance, you can't able to just see it and say okay, that is there. So it is very minor, as I can say. But one good thing is it has the headlight details and the logo detail here. At least this time the logo is not messed up. It is good. And you can see the grill details here. That is really nice. And so the livery on this one looks very simple. I mean, it is specific to this Type R, and it doesn't have any tail light details. Again, this is a main line, so only 3 side detail. And okay, so the body is fully metal, including the spoiler. Chassis is plastic. So I really wish metal does the chassis detailing thing again. So because it will give you that unique feeling, right, for each and every casting. So I really wish they would do that. So it has the exhaust details here, which is really good. And the tires are plastic. Okay, chassis is plastic. It has some interior detailing to it, which is really good. So it has rear view mirrors as well, and it has a shark fin antenna here. So this looks really good. So I hope whatever you guys are, when you guys are getting this particular casting, you might not have this paint issue. So let's leave that part out. So apart from that, so my only thing is, this particular rim doesn't actually, I mean, the wheels doesn't actually suit this particular casting. The blue and black is a very good combination always, but they could have went with a different set of wheels here. So I mean, this is just my opinion. So yours may differ. So okay, let's weigh this casting now. I don't know, 35 grams, 32 to 35 grams. Let's see. Okay, 33 grams. Close. Okay, let's do a roll test in our track. Okay, it is not fast, but it is rolling. It does have some wheel wobble. Someone actually told me to put some kind of foam kind of thing here. I need to get something. So since today I just got back and I just set up everything to record the videos and everything, so I didn't get the time, and I'm really tired, to be honest. So we'll try to add this in maybe next week video or something. We'll see. And I need to get something to put something here. So I'm just thinking what to put there instead of originally thought of putting a double side sellotape, but that is not going to look good. So I need to put something, maybe something transparent. There is a transparent double side sellotape kind of thing. So maybe that one, or like this white sponge kind of thing. I will figure that out later. Okay, let's do this roll test couple more times. Let me maybe put this here a little bit so that it bounce back. Okay. See, both will wobbles a little bit, but still it rolls, so it is good. So I don't have any issues with it. So let's rate this casting. So okay, again I'm saying this. This is a main line, so we are not going to. Uh, at least we are going with only the common things where you guys will be also having. So neglecting the issues which I am having. Okay. So in that case, the casting is solid. I don't have any issue with it. So my only nitpick here is, see, they are going with a type R. If they are going to give this particular detail here, it should have been a little bit more pronounced. So it is not. So for that, I am just taking out point 0.5. And because the paint issue and everything, it is more specific to mine. Yours might not have again. So if yours also also having, then I am really sorry. Uh, Sorry for you also. So I will be giving 9.5 out of 10 for this particular casting. Again, zero point 0.5 I'm taking out for this air intake here that is not pronounced well. It looks like something someone actually drew on top of it, like using a stencil kind of thing. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.